In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain on Nexcess for email and hosting. We'll take you step by step through the entire process, ensuring that your domain is set up correctly for optimal performance and security. To begin, you'll need to log into your Nexcess client portal. If you haven't logged in already, simply go to the Nexcess website, enter your credentials, and access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll do is head over to the Plans section. Here, you'll see a list of your sites. Go ahead and select the site for which you need to authenticate the domain. Now, open up your site dashboard. It's your central hub for managing your domain settings and a few clicks away from where the magic happens. In the left-hand panel, you will see the Domains option. Click on it to view all the domains associated with your account. In the domain list, find the specific domain you intend to authenticate. You should see an option there to authenticate domain or alternatively view DNS records. Selecting this will guide you to the crucial settings that need to be configured for authentication. In this section, you'll be shown various DNS records including TXT, CNAME, and MX records. It's important to copy these records exactly as they appear. They are essential for verifying and authenticating your domain. Make sure you store these copied records in a safe place, as you'll need them in the next steps. The time has come to log into your domain registrar, whether it be GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, or another service. Access the DNS management section for your domain. This area is where you'll configure your DNS records to match those provided by Nexcess. Now let's add each DNS record precisely as they were shown to you. Start with the TXT record, which is crucial for domain verification. Next, you'll add the CNAME record, which plays a big part in domain authentication. Finally, input the MX records, which are necessary if you plan to use Nexcess for your email routing. After inputting those records, be sure to save your changes. This step is critical to ensure that all the configurations you have just carried out are safely stored and ready for implementation. With your changes saved, return to Nexcess to verify or check the status of your domain. It's important to be patient at this stage, since DNS propagation can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours. Once you've confirmed that everything is in place and functioning as it should, you'll know your domain is fully authenticated for both hosting and email on Nexcess. And that's it. You've successfully set up your domain for email and hosting with Nexcess, ensuring your platform is safe and reliable. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more tutorials to help you get the most out of your hosting service.